Check out this 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 64,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Greystone Metallic. LT Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, like titanium ebony, premium cloth seat trim, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, wheels, 418 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum. Spare wheel will not cosmetically match the other 4 wheels, requires D71 off-road suspension package and QXN P265/65R18 off-road black wall tires or QXQ P265/65R18 off-road white outline leather tires. Emissions: Connecticut, Maine, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Safety package, exterior plus package, power pack plus, tires, P265/65R18 off-road, Blackwall, audio system, MFM stereo with MP3 compatible 6-disc in-CD changer, suspension package, off-road and the trailering package, heavy duty. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.